Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how my new lawn tractor is damaging my grass. If you're new to my channel, I have a Hustler Raptor SD 60-inch mower and I love this machine. In addition to it being a great mower, it easily pulls my water supply for my trees. I've been getting these burn marks of dead grass here in my lawn, and I thought it was just a local bunny rabbit that was in the neighborhood who was urinating on the lawn. I don't own any dogs, but I finally today figured out what is causing these burn marks. So as you can see, there are several dead spots of grass along there, and then also along right here. And the pattern was consistent with the number of times I stop when I am watering my trees. You can usually water 2 trees per stop, and I was in the process of watering trees tonight, and I finally clued in that the first dead spot of grass is right below the muffler. I can feel the heat from it here now, and I can definitely feel the heat right there. Now normally when I'm stopped watering my trees, I leave the tractor idling for about a minute. So the tractor is usually left idling like this. I don't think turning it off would make much of a difference because there's still a lot of heat, and the heat isn't getting pushed directly down onto the grass from the tailpipe. It's getting pushed out to the side. So I don't think that turning it off will make a difference. You can see right here. So it's not getting directly deflected downward, and there is enough heat coming off of the muffler to cause damage to this grass. We haven't had rain in about 3 or 4 weeks, so the grass is pretty crisp and dry. Now, if you're having issues like this where the grass is getting burned by the muffler, you can purchase a heat shield. For me, it doesn't really bother me, and hopefully someday I'll be adding irrigation back here and won't need to be carrying water around like this. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see what else I'm up to in the garden, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.